Alright, so this is Shaunak and I have just checked into my room at the Sheraton Grand. This one is in Whitefield. They have two uh, hotels in Bangalore. This is the one in Whitefield, and I've got my room, and this is how it looks like. This is the door through which you enter, and as soon as you enter, you get a storage rack over here. You have a mirror. You have the cupboard over here. I have the laundry items over here. You have some extra storage space over here. And then you have another cupboard over here where you can keep your coats and all. This is an iron board. You have your slippers over there. And you have an emergency flashlight as well. Alright, this is how the room looks like. Okay, this is another mirror, and this has the washroom. I'll come to that later. This is how the room looks like. You have the complimentary beverages over here, and you have a electric kettle over here. You have another storage unit over here. Okay, this is locked. This is the mini bar, and this is the room. This is the bed. This is the bedside tables. You have a nice couch over here. You have a working desk. You have a TV and some more drawers over here. Let's see the view. Oh, it's a poolside view. It's nice. This is how the hotel looks like. It's pretty nice. This is how the room looks like, and let's take you to the washroom. This is the washroom. You have the sink and varieties of tiles over here. This is the toilet area, and this is the bathtub. The last time I stayed at a hotel which had a bathtub was back in Europe, so this is going to be a nice experience. And they have partnership with Gilchrist and Soames for their toiletries. Yep. Now, if you're planning to book this room, this is the base category room. And if you plan to book this one, it's around 37,000 rupees per night, including breakfast. Yep. Really a beautiful room. I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights. But yeah, the best thing about the room is the view, man. This is great. This is so beautiful.